The first hands-on and official images of the Galaxy S25 series, along with their packaging, have leaked. Several tweets have surfaced showcasing these visuals. While Samsung's Unpacked event is set for today, leaks from multiple sources have already revealed the Galaxy S25 lineup. Starting with the Galaxy S25, it features a sleek and refined design with improved ergonomics. The Galaxy S25 Plus takes it up a notch with its larger size, appealing to those who prefer bigger devices. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out as the premium model, showcasing top-tier build quality, an advanced camera system, and cutting-edge features. Each device is shown alongside its packaging, offering an early look at the design and box aesthetics. A recent report hinting at a possible price freeze for the Galaxy S25 lineup compared to the S24 series seemed like a promising kickoff to the official Unpacked week. However, the optimism might be short-lived. According to a typically reliable social media source, the latest rumor could disappoint heavy multitaskers in regions such as the US and Europe. The highly anticipated S25 Ultra model, boasting 16 gigabytes of RAM, is reportedly set to launch exclusively in select Asian markets. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is set for January 22nd, where the Galaxy S25 series is expected to be unveiled. However, if you're too eager to wait, a newly leaked promo video offers a sneak peek at the Ultra model and its features. With just 3 days left until the Galaxy S25 series launch, leaks are pouring in. The latest shows Samsung's official leather cases for the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. User @JuconLosRev shared an image on X of the retail packaging and cases. The S25 Plus cases come in gray and sky blue, while the S25 Ultra cases are available in black, gray, and orange. These cases feature metal buttons for power and volume, replacing the usual cutouts. Samsung has dropped 2 new teasers on its YouTube channel. The first features a night sky light display ahead of Unpacked, while the second highlights Samsung's AI capabilities.
In the era of AI, privacy has become more important than ever before, as AI connects and transforms our lives in ways we never imagined. Like when it suggests when to leave for work based on traffic, or reminds you to use that expiring coupon to fuel up for a busy day ahead. But privacy threats have also evolved. To give you peace of mind when using your phone, we've strengthened our baseline protection. For enhanced on-device security, your personalized data is processed and combined in the Personal Data Engine, where it is encrypted and securely saved, inaccessible to anyone else, with the decryption key safely stored inside with Knox Vault. Your devices, connected in an ecosystem, protect each other with Knox Matrix, ensuring safe data transfers, while post-quantum cryptography defends against future threats. With 7 years of security and OS updates, long-term protection is guaranteed. And when using cloud AI, your data is neither shared with others nor used for targeted ads. In the end, you should have full control over your privacy and the power to choose your privacy settings. Even in the era of AI, we believe your personal data should stay personal.
Now Samsung has unveiled new teasers for the Galaxy S25 series ahead of the upcoming Unpacked event. The company also shared images of a dazzling light show set against a clear night sky, building excitement for the event. A brief video clip showcases the Galaxy artificial intelligence capabilities on the latest flagship devices, emphasizing their advanced features. Filmed at night, the clip highlights the nightography technology designed to capture exceptional low-light photos. The video prominently features the phrases next-level Galaxy artificial intelligence and light years ahead. Samsung's nightography feature continues to impress, delivering outstanding low-light photography. The company has wowed audiences with stunning skylight displays and laser shows in the streets of London, featuring a captivating Galaxy artificial intelligence hologram.
Introducing the Galaxy S25 Slim, a first look at Samsung's thinnest marvel. Samsung is gearing up to launch its Galaxy S25 series, featuring 3 core variants, but all eyes are on the unexpected star of the show, the Galaxy S25 Slim. Leaks from trusted sources, Steve Hemmerstoffer and SmartPrix have unveiled an early glimpse of this sleek, ultra-slim masterpiece. Known for their slim designs, Samsung's flagship phones are already a benchmark in elegance, but the S25 Slim takes things even further. Expected to be up to 1.2mm thinner than the Galaxy S24's 7.6mm profile, this device redefines compact sophistication. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.